Yeah, in the previous video we looked at the dangerous hand, and we look at an example in a dangerous hand. Let's recap what is a dangerous hand, or when is a hand the dangerous hand. If the hand from the opponent wins a trick and regains the lead, and you're in danger of losing the contract when that hand regains the lead. It could be your right hand opponent or the left hand opponent. Sometimes your right hand opponent is a dangerous hand, sometimes the left hand opponent. So you have to do everything possible to avoid that hand winning a trick and regaining the lead. It applies to no trump and trump contracts. And in the previous video we looked at the first example. In this video we're going to look at another example. Yeah, in this board we look at another example of the dangerous hand. South opens the binning, one no trump. Yes, a very good hand. 17 points, balanced hand. He opens the binning, one no trump. But everyone passes, so the contract is one no trump. The lead is from best the ace of clubs. As ever in a no trump contract, we count the winners first. So with one trick in spade, 2 in hearts, 2 in diamonds. So we have 5 tricks we are certain to make. 1 in spade, 2 in hearts and 2 in diamonds. Now you have to think, what is the working suit? But we need to develop 2 extra tricks. We need to make 7 tricks. We play 1 no trump, so we need to develop 2 extra tricks. Maybe in spade we use the finesse, not in heart. Diamonds looking very good, not in club. Maybe in club, but it doesn't look very good. I would say diamond is the working suit. But the lead is the ace of clubs, and you always have to look at the lead. What does the lead of ace of club mean? In my opinion, when someone leads the ace of clubs, he probably has the king, but he might, and also the jack or the 10. I think in this scenario we have the 10, the 9, the 8, the 2 and the queen. I think he has ace, king, but also the jack, and maybe 1 or 2 or 3 other clubs, if you look at the lead. If he has ace, king, jack, which means that he can make maybe 4 tricks or 5 tricks even in club. If East play a club, you have to realize that if West has ace, king, jack, small, and West has maybe 2 or 3 clubs, we don't know that yet, but if East plays a club, we're in danger, because East plays a small club, and then West wins a trick with the king or the jack. So I think at this point we have to think that East is the dangerous hand. But let's play the first trick and see how it continues. So the ace and the 8, so we lose the first trick. Then West, East plays the 3 of clubs, which means this is discouraging. He has nothing in club, he discourages club. So West switches to another suit, the spade. And this is not bad news for us, but now we make the queen of spades. And I think we make the queen of spades, so that's okay. But now we have to realize now there is a dangerous hand. We cannot afford to have East winning a trick. If East wins a trick, then he's going to play the club. I'm not sure how many clubs West has, but maybe he has 5 clubs, maybe 6. Maybe we don't know that yet. Maybe the club split 6-3-2-2. But he could make 6 tricks in clubs, 5 or 6, if East plays the club. Because if East plays the club and West probably has ace, probably has king, jack, and other clubs left, we sure are going to lose 5 or 6 tricks in clubs, and we already lost and maybe we lose another trick, we will see. So we have to be aware of that. So it means that if you play the diamond, we have to play the finesse, which is quite clear, from north to south. And we can play the finesse from south to north, but in this case we play the finesse from north to south. We have to make sure that East doesn't win the trick. So we're going to play the diamond. First we play the 4 to the king, we make sure we win the trick. Maybe the queen drops, the 10 drops, and then we play the diamond from north to south. Now he doesn't follow the diamond east, but that's okay, it doesn't matter. We can play the ace of diamonds, and we continue with the diamond, but West wins this trick with the queen of diamonds. Yeah, so that's okay, but that's okay, it doesn't matter. Now we developed 2 tricks in diamonds. Now you are sure now to make 4. We even develop. Yes, we developed 2 tricks in diamonds. But now West is. But what can he do? He can play the spade. We win trick with the ace of spade. He can play the heart, but we win trick with the ace of hearts. The problem is if he plays the club, then my queen is promoted to always to a trick. He can play the king of club, then my queen will be promoted to a trick, to a master. He can play a small club, but I win the trick with the queen of clubs. He continues with the 7 of spades. I play the 8 of spades, East plays the 9 of spades. I win the trick obviously with the ace of spades. I cannot afford to have East winning a trick, so I play the ace of spades. And obviously then I can now play my fixed tricks. I play the ace of hearts, the 5 of hearts to the king. I'm going to play the diamonds obviously. Another diamond. And I'm going to lose the remaining tricks. If you look at the total hand, then you can see that. So you can see now that West has the 5 clubs. Maybe he could have made 5 tricks in clubs. But the point now is that West had the queen of diamonds. East doesn't have an entry. So in this board we were not too dangerous. But you can easily see now that the dangerous hand is East. If East would have played the club, then West would have made 5 tricks in clubs. But the point is that East doesn't have an entry. So that was okay. I don't think we were in much danger. But we always have to take into account the dangerous hand. If East regains the lead, wins the lead, and he played the club, then we are in danger of losing the contract. So be aware of that. So that was the end of the video. We talked about an example 2 in a dangerous hand. In the next video we're going to talk about another example in a dangerous hand.